All right, so it's June 13 at 3:53 p.m. and I'm recording to show the pixelated images here that you see is a bombardment of frequencies that are entering my house, and this is also to document my location in case any rogue element within our flawed system wants to use their racketeering schemes to continue to slander me. So again, as you can see, if you have a strong enough camera, you can decipher this house is being inundated with frequencies, constant bombardment of frequencies, constant bombardment.